I know you got a picture of every haircut you done did in your phone, but you ain't posted it. I'm gonna show you how to monetize in this class off their content. Cause I don't need to see it, they need to see it. Let's go. Y'all ready for this mastermind?
Yes, sir.
Let's get it, let's get it.
Y'all wanna be rich?
What?
Me.
Everybody?
Immediately.
How rich?
Rich as fuck.
I started off in the automotive industry, and I sold my shop for $8 million. But it was a long process to get there. And I'm gonna kind of give y'all some tips and tools on how to get there. I got one requirement of this class. I got an acronym I use. It's called KISS. Anybody want to guess what that stands for?
Keep it simple, stupid.
Keep it simple, stupid. We ain't going too complex. Okay? And I got one more. It's called what get measured, get accomplished. Okay? First thing, I want everybody to raise their hand. You got a website.
Yes.
Okay, good. Got a website? You need a website. You got a website? Okay, you need a website. The next thing we're gonna do is called cold outreach. What do you guys think cold outreach is?
Word of mouth.
No.
Cold outreach is just like sending. It's you don't know the person before, you don't have any connection, but you're telling them what you're doing.
Okay.
Like, hi, like I walk into Walmart, the random person, hi, I'm Jordan the barber. That's like something cold. But as far as what you're talking about, I'm not.
That's
good. Yeah.
good.
Confidence, man. Don't doubt yourself. You know the answer.
We're gonna DM people that we want to get in our chair. So we're gonna reach out, we're gonna come up with a script, we're gonna go to Chat GPT, okay? Because knowledge is what?
Power.
It is potential power.
Okay.
Action is power. That's why I want y'all to go right now to Chat GPT.
This message finds you well. I came across your Instagram profile and I was truly impressed by such and such content, your stunning photography skills, engaging storytelling, inspiring posts.
Oh, brother.
So we're gonna start with prompt.
Yes.
So that's not a correct prompt, because would you want to read that long text message?
Oh.
Right, keep it simple. I'm a barber, I'm trying to get clients. Write that in there.
JB, the barber, at such and such shop. We love your style and think we could add that extra edge to your look.
Do you like that? Does that sound like you?
No.
Okay, so do a better prompt.
Yes.
When you first started reading it, it sounded. Go ahead, my man.
So, hey, I'm Jordan, a licensed barber in Acronyms with a passion for crafting. Perfect look, whether it's a fresh cut or trim or shave. Fresh cut, trim or shave, I got a special offer just for you to experience my service. With a discount on the first service, check out my work at Jordan the Barber, and let's transform your style together.
Did you like that?
I guess
You don't like it, so make it more simple. Don't overthink it.
Yeah.
Say, make it more simple. I want it to be 2 or 3 lines.
Gotcha.
Give it to me right now. Because our acronym is what?
Keep it simple, stupid.
So I got a tip I need you guys to do and a tool I need you to use. Where you from?
Fort Lauderdale.
Okay, where you from?
Louisiana.
Where you from?
Massachusetts.
Okay, I want y'all to look up the median income of that state. 28,000. Okay.
Oh.
64,000.
We're gonna just say 64,000. So I'm gonna ask everybody some questions. I want this to be kind of interactive. What do you make a day?
Depending on the day.
Give me your best day.
400.
400.
400, not 100.
I said 400.
See, I ain't trying to disrespect you now.
Okay, Mr. Mark Anthony.
My best day, I probably do like 1,000.
Oh my God, you got money.
1,000. Great. So give me some ways that y'all can get this income up.
Promoting other services and retailing products.
Okay. What you would say?
Probably upsell other services.
Do it take money to make money?
Absolutely.
It take money to make money.
It's an investment.
It take money to make money?
Yes.
No. It don't.
You lying?
Everybody in here told me they had an EIN set up, right?
Oh.
And y'all have an LLC set up, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a little play on how y'all build y'all business.
Finally!
First step is you got an EIN, you got an LLC, and I need everybody to get a personal credit score of 680 or above. What bank are you guys with?
Navy Federal.
With a business, a bank is what? What is a bank? Somebody give me some
They
answers.
take your money.
Leverage.
and
It's a business.
Yeah.
They lend your money to other people.
Yeah, that's right.
So why haven't anybody in here borrowed any money from the bank but you? You did borrow $35,000. Because y'all just told me y'all made $400 a day, $1,000. Them your best days.
Yeah.
But it's on the books. It's on the books.
No, but see, that's what we doing. We need you to be
On the books. Right.
Because my other acronym is what get measured, get accomplished. So how are y'all taking y'all payments?
On Square.
Okay, that's on the book.
Cash out.
Okay.
It's on the book too.
Everybody got 2 years of tax return. Another site, I need y'all to take notes on this. I want y'all to do it right now. Is look up SBA.GOV. There's one source I want y'all to use.
Okay.
I want y'all to get y'all taxes in order. I want y'all to keep track of y'all money better. Because I know most people miss this part in business. Because everybody need money to scale, right? Everybody need money to pay for it, right? Y'all already making money, so y'all making $4,000, but y'all don't have access capital, right? Like most small business owners. So there's a way we're gonna get access to a large sum of capital. We're gonna go to SBA.GOV and we're gonna partner with them. So I need everybody to get an operating agreement as well. Because you're gonna need that to be bankable. Operating agreement should distinguish you from the business. Let's say me and Israel have a business together, right? We 50-50 partners on beer goals. So it outlines the business. It tells his position, it tells my position. It just protects you from a legal standpoint.
There we go.
So if somebody from creditors, it protects you, like it separates you from the business. Because the business should be separate. That's why you got an EIN.
Oh, your
An
personal.
EIN.
There you go.
Separate your personal from your business. Okay.
So lines of credit is something that you get that's revolving. Credit card, you swipe, but a line of credit is cash, basically. A credit card is credit. You can use all the line of credit if you want.
So you can go into the bank and get $100,000 if they give you a $100,000 line of credit.
How many people want to buy a barbershop and salon suite one day? Okay, so SBA.GOV is your friend, right? It's a loan call. I own 35 properties.
You got money. He got money.
I own a lot of real estate. SBA is your friend when they got a program where you only put 10% down. It's called SBA 504 loan. Y'all look that up. Okay, now look up 7A loan. SBA 7A loan.
7A loan program, SBA's primary business loan program, provides loan guarantees to lenders that allow them to provide financial help for small businesses with special requirements. 7A loans can be used for the following: acquiring, refinancing, or improving real estate and buildings, short and long-term working capital, refinancing current business debt, purchasing and installation of machinery and equipment. The maximum loan amount for a 7A loan is $5 million.
Damn.
Eligibility factors are based on what the business does to receive its income, its credit history, and where the business operates.
You can buy all the products you need.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You can try different products. When you're using your own money, what you doing?
You tight with
You
it.
gonna buy that.
Yeah. That's not in the
Wait till I
budget.
get a couple more cuts.
Exactly. Yeah.
But the thing I would encourage you guys to do is to make sure you keep making money.
Right.
Don't go borrow a whole bunch of money and then you can't pay it back.
Yeah.
You gotta have some form of paying it back.
Right.
You gotta have some skin in the game. Anybody got any questions on this topic of borrowing money from the SBA?
Just that fear, getting over that fear, man. Like just how did that feel?
Go in the bathroom and throw up and get back to it.
Facts.
If you think you bullshitting, you doing what?
Bullshit.
You bullshit. That's the fear. Fear is what? False expectations appearing real. It's all false. It's in your head. Cause y'all just read that. I didn't make the SBA website. Y'all read that shit on there. So y'all really could have been looked at it and read it then. You just didn't know the information. Cause it's about the information we don't know. They try to hide it from us. But it's right there. They say if you want to hide something from us, where you put it at.
In the book.
In a motherfucking book.
They be putting it on.